These are the True Lemonade Strawberry and True Lemonade Lemon Lemonade. I love these. My husband destroyed the box for this one, so I only have this box. But in any event, they mix with plain water instantly, and they make it so much more appealing. One packet mixes quickly, and the flavor is light, refreshing, and so clean. I like both flavors because I like to switch it up. The strawberry lemonade and then the lemon lemonade. The flavors actually make you want to drink more water. Each is a single serving packet. It's easy to travel with and it mixes fast. What I usually do, one packet, open my Stanley or Yeti, put ice in there, fill it up and shake it. The light sweetness is delicious. It's not overpowering and it does not feel heavy. I like also that these are no artificial sweeteners and they're very low sugar, 1 gram of sugar per pack, 10 calories per pack. It is a win-win. When I buy it again, yes, this is my restock. They help me stay hydrated without forcing it. I don't have to force myself to drink the water. And I like the multiple options, lemon lemonade or the strawberry lemonade. They do taste slightly different, but they're both equally easy to drink. If plain water isn't cutting it for you, these both are an easy solution that works. Highly recommend the True Lemon Strawberry Lemonade and the True Lemon Lemon Lemonade.